Good day everyone and welcome sa aking educational channel, the Agent Mateus class. My topic is all about quadratic trinomial as a divisor in synthetic division. Posible kaya na magkaroon tayo ng divisor ni quadratic trinomial gamit ang synthetic? Subukan natin. This is Mr. Reyes guiding you sa panibagong topic na ito or additional topic na ito sa week number 6 ng ating grade 10 curriculum. Ang ating learning objective is the learner divides polynomials by quadratic trinomials using synthetic division. In warm-up activity, whose math line is it? Anyhow. Meron tayong statement ulit. Gusto ko lang namang maging positibo ang lahat. Ano kayang mathematical term ang nagko-comply sa statement na yan? Ano kaya yung expression na yun na ginagawa niyang positive lahat? Parang sa buhay natin, kailangan maging positive tayo lahat. The answer is absolute value. So, kung titignan natin ang definition ng absolute value, hindi siya negative, kundi it is always a positive and it is never a negative. Sana ganun tayo sa ganitong klase ng situation ng ating pag-aaral. So, our main purpose, once again, is to divide polynomial by a trinomial using synthetic division. Pero kung i-recall natin yung pag-divide ng polynomial sa binomial gamit ang synthetic, ginagawa natin is we are getting the opposite or we are equating the x minus 5 to 0 until magbibigay yan ng 5 na ilalagay natin dito sa gilid. Okay? And we are getting the coefficients of our dividend, which are 1, negative 2, negative 11, and negative 20. We are bringing down the 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. And din natin to. We have 4. Then 4 times 5, 20. And the remainder is 0. Pagdating sa quotient, malalaman natin na yung quotient natin is 1 lesser than the dividend or than the degree of our dividend. If this is x cubed, we could say that our coefficient has a degree 2 kasi nga 1 lesser than 3, kaya magiging x squared plus 3x plus 4, and this is our quotient. May mga example din tayong na-encounter during our previous video tutorial. Kapag ang ating divisor is merong coefficient greater than 1 na nandito, magkakaroon tayo ng setup na magdi-divide muna tayo ng 3 hanggang sa may convert natin yan into x minus 4/3. Nag-divide tayo ng 3 dahil 3 ang nakita nating coefficient dito hanggang sa maging ordinary x lang nakalagay. Hanggang sa iikot mo yan sa 0 until ang gagamitin pala natin is 4/3. Yung 3 na ito, okay, gagamitin din natin yan mamaya or i-divide din natin yan dun sa temporary quotient natin. So again, we will be writing down the number 4/3 here. And those numbers na coefficient ay 18, negative 39, 8, and 16. Naka-standard na siya kaya kinopya lang natin yung mga coefficients. Pero tandaan, kailangan gawin nyo munang descending or standard yan bago kayo maglista ng mga coefficients. Bring down the 18. 18 times 4/3, if you will simplify that, you will arrive at 24. Negative 39 plus 24 is negative 15. Negative 15 times 4/3, if you will simplify that, you will have negative 20. 8 plus negative 20 is negative 12. And that negative 12 will be multiplied to our 4/3. Kakaroon tayo ng negative 16 hanggang sa maging 0 dito. Kapag 0 dito, the remainder is 0. We could also say that 3x minus 4 is a factor of this given polynomial. Again, balik tayo sa quotient. Our quotient is basically 1 lesser than the degree of our dividend according to the rule. Kaya magiging 18x squared minus 15x minus 12. And this is temporary because we divided 3 from our divisor a while ago. Kaya magdi-divide din tayo ng 3 dito. Hanggang sa ma-find out natin that the answer or the final answer is actually 6x squared minus 5x minus 4. And this is our final answer for this given problem. What if our divisor is a trinomial? So ito na yung pinaka-goal natin. I-explain ko sa inyo kung paano mag-simplify using synthetic kapag ang divisor natin ay trinomial. May mga information din online na iba't iba yung setup ng pagsosolve nila kapag ang ating divisor is a trinomial. Maswerte kapag ang divisor natin is factorable because pwede mong gamitin yung synthetic by binomial, isa-isain mo nga lang, tapos yung temporary quotient ay i-divide uli doon sa natitirang factor. Pero papaano naman kung ang ating trinomial is not factorable? So hindi mo magagamit yung binomial na yon. Kaya ang setup dito actually is ganito. Gawa ka ng medyo malaki-laking parang right angle facing the left side. The first number to be written here is actually manggagaling dito sa constant ng ating trinomial. Getting the opposite, kagaya ng paggawa din natin ng mga previous example. Opposite of 2 is negative 2. Opposite of negative 6 is positive 6. So parang may hawig na rin ng konti dun sa division of polynomial by binomial using the synthetic. And basically dito nilalagay natin yung mga coefficients as always. And be careful, make sure na descending na siya bago kayo maglista. And gawa ulit ng linya. We are going to bring down the first coefficient which is 3. But at this point, if you are multiplying that to the 6, ang pagsusulatan natin ng sagot dito sa next column. Okay? Again, 3 times 6, lalagay dito, magkakaroon ng 18. Then, multiply mo ulit doon, 3 times negative 2. Ang paglalagyan naman natin ay dito, negative 6. Kung napapansin mo, naka-diagonal yung ating pagsusulat. So, ganun yung process. Diagonal yan parate. So, we could bring down this na kanina. Na-bring down na natin. Dito, makakapag-simplify na tayo. Negative 19 plus 18 is negative 1. That negative 1 will be multiplied to our 6 again. Idadiagonal na naman natin yan dito. Yung pagsulat ng result ay diagonal. Negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. Negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. Simplify this. You will notice na magkakaroon ka ng 0. Simplify this. Wala na tayong i-consider dito kasi hindi na tayo makakapag-diagonal. Kasi nasa labas na tayo ng process ng synthetic. Hindi na pwede yan. So therefore, this remains blank. And then if we are going to add this, it becomes 0 also. So, nakasalalay dito yung quotient natin. Nagkaroon din tayo ng remainder na posibleng binomial ang remainder natin kapag trinomial ang divisor. Nagkataong 0 silang dalawa. So meaning, kung may numero man dito, this is the linear term of the remainder. Pag may number man dito, this is the constant term of our remainder. Nagkataong 0, meaning x squared minus 6x plus 2 is actually a factor of this given polynomial. And at this point, kung titignan natin ang magiging quotient natin, isusubtract lang natin ito, yung mga degree nila. 3 minus 2, that is 1. So our degree for the quotient should be linear, or degree 1. Ito, 3x raised to 1, or no need to write the 1, and then minus 1. So our final answer, or final quotient is 3x minus 1. Punta tayo sa next example. 2x to the fourth minus 4x cubed minus 30x squared plus 50x minus 5. I-divide natin sa x squared plus 3x minus 2. Again, prepare tayo ng ganitong expression or symbol. Writing down the positive 2 here, kinuha natin sa opposite ng negative 2. Yung positive 3 dyan, get the opposite of that, ilalagay mo siya dito. Kukunin natin yung mga coefficients na 2, negative 4, negative 30, positive 50, at saka negative 5. Gagawa ng linya, i-bring down mo ang 2. Again, pa-diagonal yung ating pagsulat ng mga answers dito. 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6. 2 times 2, that is positive 4. I-add natin, that's negative 10. Negative 10 times negative 3 is positive 30. Negative 10 times 2 is negative 20. Then mag-add ulit tayo dito. Lalabas ay positive 4. Again, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. 4 times 2, that is positive 8. Magkakapag-add ulit tayo. We have 50 minus 20. If you will compute that, you will have 30. And then 30 minus 12, you will have 18. Okay? And also, we have 18 times negative 3. Magiging negative 54 na yon. Pero yung susunod naman, wala na tayong pagsusulatan dito. So, you will stop here. I-add natin to, you will have positive 3. If you will finalize your answer, if we are going to finalize our answer now, again, if this is 4 and this is 2, magsisimula tayo sa degree 2 pagdating sa quotient natin. Kaya ang ating sagot ay 2x squared minus 10x plus 4. Yung 18 and 3 dito class ay magmumula dyan yung ating remainder. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina sa previous example, ang posibleng magiging remainder natin is a binomial expression. So dito magmumula yung binomial expression na 18x plus 3, or to finalize the answer, our quotient is 2x squared minus 10x plus 4 and then plus 18x plus 3 all over, babalik natin yung ating divisor. And that is our final answer. Another example, what if our given problem has 10x to the fourth minus 13x cubed plus 8x squared plus 13x minus 4. I-divide natin sa 5x squared plus x minus 2. Kung titignan natin, meron na tayong coefficient dito sa ating quadratic term na greater than 1. Kagaya ng second type ng ating pag-divide sa binomial kanina, sa synthetic, nagkakaroon tayo ng division ng constant dito. So, from that 5x squared plus x minus 2, temporarily, kung ano yung number na nandito, i-divide muna natin yan. And then sa temporary quotient natin mamaya, i-divide uli natin yan to get the final quotient. Hanggang sa magkakaroon tayo ng x squared plus 1/5 x and then minus 2/5. So, dyan magmumula yung ating mga coefficients na ilalagay dito sa gilid. Again, from the constant term na negative 2/5, ilalagay natin yung positive 2/5 dito. From the 1/5, ilalagay natin yung negative 1/5 dito. Copying the coefficients of our dividend, we have 10, we have negative 13, we have positive 8, positive 13, and then we have negative 4. Make a line. I-bring down natin ng 10. 10 times negative 1/5. And once again, this is diagonal in nature. So, 10 times negative 1/5 is negative 2. 10 times 2/5, that is positive 4. Mag-add tayo, magiging negative 15. Again, this negative 15, multiply mo ulit sa negative 1/5, bibigyan ka ng positive 3. Negative 15 ulit, multiply mo sa 2/5, bibigyan ka ng negative, negative 6. Balik tayo sa previous column, i-add natin 8 plus 4 plus 3, magkakaroon ka ng 15. 15 times negative 1/5, that is negative, that is negative 3. And then 15 times 2/5, that is positive 6. Balik sa previous column, we have 13 plus negative 6 plus negative 3, you have positive 4. And then, we have 4 times negative 1/5 ay hindi na natin tutuloy kasi once na nandito tayo sa 4 times 2/5, wala na tayong paglalagyan na other column dito. Simplify na natin itong negative 4 plus 6, maglalabas yan ng 2. So, dito sa last row na ito, dyan magmumula yung quotient natin. Ang temporary quotient natin ay makukuha yung portion dito na 10x squared kasi nanggaling siya dito. If the degree is 4 from the dividend, the degree of the divisor is 2. Therefore, the degree of our quotient is 2. Susubtract kasi natin yan. And then minus 15, x, and then we have plus 15. Yan. Yung ito naman, dito manggagaling yung remainder natin na binomial expression. Kasi ordinarily, nagkakaroon tayo ng binomial na remainder kapag nagdi-divide tayo ng quadratic trinomial. Kaya ang mangyari dyan is 4x plus 2. Ilagay natin yung divisor natin na 5. No, it's not 5. It's x squared plus 1/5 and then minus 2/5. Paano yan? Hindi yan yung original na divisor natin na kakailanganin natin. Since nag-divide tayo ng 5 kanina, okay, magdi-divide ulit tayo dito ng 5. Okay, as part of the process. 10x squared divided by 5 is 3x squared. Okay, negative 15x divided by 5 is negative, this is negative 3x. Okay, balik ako dito. Negative 10x squared divided by 5 is 2. Sorry. 2x squared minus 3x. 15 divided by 5 is positive 3. Paano naman yung case nito? Kung titignan natin, fraction ito. Pag i-divide mo yan sa 5, dividing by 5 is just the same as multiplying by 1/5. Kaya kung i-rewrite ko ito, kung i-rewrite ko yung portion na divided by 5, that is still the same as multiplying this by 1/5. Kaya kung ito ay i-multiply mo ng 1/5, that is the same as dividing by 5. So, hindi maapektuhan yung ating numerator. Still the same kasi merong 1 doon na i-multiply mo sa kanya. Dito naman, mapupunta yung 5 dito sa denominator. Hanggang sa magiging perfect na yung pagkakasulat natin. 5 times x squared is 5x squared. 1/5 times 5 is x. And then, negative 2/5 times 5 is negative 2. So, therefore, this is our quotient. This is our final quotient. I hope nakuha mo yung process natin. Medyo nakakalito, once again, kapag meron tayong coefficient na greater than 1 na nandito. Maaari mong i-check ito sa pamamagitan ng long method and let us see if mag-arrive ka pa rin sa ganitong klaseng sagot. Practice makes perfect, ika nga. And gusto ko tang i-challenge, okay? Meron akong inihandang 3 items dito. Okay? Ipo-post mo yung video na ito, okay? Hanapin mo yung post diyan, nandiyan lang. And then balikan mo, if in case tama yung sagot mo, very good. Pag hindi naman, again, practice makes perfect, ika nga. Try and try hanggang sa makuha mo. Pause the video and try to answer now. And the answers are, we have 2x squared minus x plus 1, we have 3x squared minus x plus 1, and we have 4x minus 1 plus x minus 2 all over 3x squared minus x minus 5. I hope nakuha mo. And try to consider other items from your module. May mga ganitong examples na pwede mong i-consider pagdating sa trinomial na divisor natin. Let me end my discussion with this quotation. There's an alternative. There's always a third way, and that is not a combination of the other 2 ways. It's a different way. Kagaya ng paggamit natin ng synthetic division, this is an alternative. Sa mga problema natin, mayroon at mayroong alternatibong paraan para ma-resolve ito. Kung sa pag-aaral mo sa ganitong situation, alam ko magkakaroon ka ng ibang paraan para makasurvive at para makapag-comply ng maayos kapag nag-aaral ka o kapag nagsasubmit ka ng iyong mga activities sa iyong mga subject teacher. We are all struggling, but if nakikipag-cooperate ka sa iyong guro at ang guro ay hindi binibitawan ng kanyang mga estudyante, lahat tayo ay makakapag-survive sa new normal na ito. And that is all for now. Thank you for the time and have a good day. See you again next time.